Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add custom photo widget in iPhone. If you are using iPhone and you want to add your custom photo widget, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply keep a long press on your home screen here and then tap on the edit option in the top left corner and then select add widget option from here. Once you have done, just scroll down and you will get the photo app here. Just look for that. Once you get the photo app, you must have to tap on that. And here you have to select in which way you want to see photos on your home screen. For example, I'm going to add this type of widget. You can add it by cropping, but I'm going to tap on this add widget option and it will be added. Now simply tap on done option here. Now you just have to tap on this and you have to go back, go to library, select the photo which you want to add. So for example, I have added this one. Tap on this favorite option, it will be saved to your favorites. After that, go back and it will be added here. If you can't find it here, just tap on it again. And here you'll get your favorites option. You must have to tap on select, then tap on select all. And here you have to tap on done. So in this way, you can easily add your custom photo widget in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.